Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to lower your own in-game microphone volume while playing Steam, for example. Now the first step that you want to take is actually by going down to the search bar in your Windows console and open up your Steam application. Now from here we go to the top left corner where our Steam profile appears, our Steam settings, and open up the Steam settings right here. Now inside the Steam settings we scroll all the way down to find the voice settings right here. And inside the voice settings make sure to use the voice input device that is your own microphone. So for me it's the microphone Blue Snowball right here. Start the microphone test, and as you can see it is working. And from here we go to the voice output device. Now here we see the input volume and the output volume. Now the input volume is our own microphone, as you can see right here. Now our own microphone is set in the middle, and if you want to lower your microphone volume, simply scroll down the lever. If you want to turn it up, actually turn it up all the way. Now here you can also change the output volume of your friends. Let's say you're in a game and your friends are way too loud. Simply scroll this tab a little bit lower or make it a little bit higher. Now if this didn't fix your issue and your microphone is still way too high, you can simply open up the settings right here, the Windows settings, and from there type in the sound settings or simply open up the sound settings. And inside the sound settings, make sure to choose the input settings right here. Make sure to select your own microphone, the Blue Snowball for me. And here we have the volume. This is the input volume. Now here you see the microphone, and here we see the lever once again, and you can turn it down to actually turn down the bass volume of the microphone that you're using. Now this should be it, and this should fix your problem. If you still get any other issues, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, this helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.